My name's Mark Fagelson and I'm one of the leading UK automotive photographers. Travelling the world, photographing cars has to be the best job. Bentleys are always something very special. They have a presence and a power to the exterior design, and that's something you're always looking to capture and to accentuate. The GT has to be my favourite car to shoot. They just look good in such a wide variety of environments. Each location brings with it its own challenges. You have to work with the elements that you have to make the most of them. You're looking to isolate the car, you're looking to get rid of anything that distracts from it. You're trying to create an atmosphere and a mood. I love shooting the interiors, the materials, the craftsmanship, but also trying to convey something of that feeling you get when you're sat inside a Bentley. My favourite image has to be the white GT convertible. This was a studio shoot, and the advantage of being in the studio is that you can have complete control over the lighting. You can really bring out those exterior lines and details. It's important to remember that you don't need loads of expensive equipment and glamorous locations to shoot a car. Like millions of people all around the world, I'm currently staying at home. If all I had to work with was my camera phone and a Bentley set outside on the driveway, I'd concentrate on those interior and exterior details and surfaces that make a Bentley unique. These types of shots will work well if you crop out any background elements. A good tip for your interior details is to use a big white sheet laid over the roof so it covers the windows. This will give you a really good quality of light, even on a sunny day, and your reflections will be minimised. If you are shooting the whole car in a limited space, then go for symmetry with your angles. Get as far away from the car as you can and make sure everything is straight and level in your shot. The GT, the Bentayga and the Flying Spur all look great dead head on, so it frees you up to play around with some different heights and focal lengths, making the most of that signature Bentley grille and the headlights. Be aware of reflections in the bodywork and anything that's going to distract the viewer. If it's a sunny day and you can get out and shoot at dawn or at dusk, you'll bring a lot more drama and atmosphere into your shots by working when the sun is low in the sky. You'll want to keep direct sunlight away from the grille area, so if the sun is out, try and keep it behind the car or use it to light down the side. Once you've taken a shot that you're happy with, just take a moment to have a good look at it. Have a think if there's anything that you can do to make that shot better. Something really simple, like just switching the headlights on, might give your shot something extra. I hope this has given you some ideas and some inspiration for how to photograph a Bentley.